What's good, everybody? My name is Cedric Thompson. I'm from the US. I came from Minneapolis. And I just got done with my Heva clinic experience, and it was fantastic. It was 10 out of 10 from the way I arrived here, from getting to the hotel to coming here and getting the procedure and walking through what it is that I was hoping to get. I have really high praises for how they took care of me, and I'm really excited for the results to come in because from all the things that I've seen online and from friends back home who came to Heva clinic, it's proven that it works. And I know that I gotta put in the work because they put in the work, and that makes me excited. And
this is the first time I really have gotten to sit down and talk while I'm eating my lunch. But we got 4,100 grafts, and Dr. Seda was really happy about that. I'm gonna get full coverage, get my hairline dropped and straightened. We're gonna talk about the design after, but she's recommending that I pull some from my beard, which is like my neck in this area, to get full coverage on my crown. And she was like, she definitely recommends it because then we'll be A1 like day one. So I'm gonna go for it. She's like, if I did this, I ain't gotta come back a second time, and I'll be locked in and I'll have full coverage. And that's what I'm here for. So if I come back to Turkey a second time, I don't want to be for, if I come back to Turkey for a second time, I don't want it to be for a transplant. I'd rather come back and just visit. So I'm gonna do the beard extraction and go for it.
Sorry. No, it felt good. And I definitely recommend anybody from anywhere to come to Heva clinic to get your hair transplant.